Cleaners, protectants, lubes, sealants. Well, today I'm going to break down my 5 favorite and really the only ones you need to take care of your rig. So don't go anywhere. Hey guys, welcome back to Why Wait. I'm Chris, and today I'm going to talk to you about my top 5 products. The only 5 you really need to clean, lube, protect, and seal your camper so that things will run and function and look great for years to come. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay guys, the first product we're going to talk about today, and probably the most important, is going to be BoShield T9. I absolutely love this stuff, as you can probably tell. Listen, whether you're just going out for weekends or a full-time RVer, it's important to have a great dry lube with you. This stuff is a waterproof lubricant that can be used on almost any part of your RV. And by only having one product, you're cutting down on weight and saving space in your RV. Now, if you follow our channel, you've probably heard me talk about this before. And well, for good reason. Because BoShield T9 is going to be the one-stop shop for all your RV needs inside and out when it comes to lubrication and rust and corrosion protection. We're talking everything from your awnings to your steps to your jacks to your frames, you name it, it's got you covered. Again, we use BoShield T9 all around our RV, whether it's for lubrication or rust and corrosion protection. But if you guys want to check out more about it, learn more about it, we did a whole video on it. I'll put a link to that right up here. I recommend going and checking that out after this video. If you're really interested in this stuff, I highly recommend it, and I would not RV without it. By the way, we're not going to get too much into the technical aspect of these products today and how to apply them, where to apply them, and all that kind of stuff. But I am going to reference a video pretty much for each product that you can go back and watch. And in those videos, we break it down in full detail of how we do the jobs, what we use the product on, why, and everything like that. So this is a quick video breaking down our 5 favorite lubes, sealants, and all that kind of stuff. At the end of this, I highly recommend going back if you're interested in any of these, going back in the video description or clicking on some of these links and checking out the full videos where we go into depth about all these products and how to use them properly. And that brings us up to the next one, number 2 on the list, and that is the Proflex RV sealant. This stuff right here is something everybody should carry with them when they're traveling. Now, this isn't a fun job, but we know water is the camper's worst enemy. I've said it before and I'll keep preaching it. Water will damage and ruin your camper if you do not do your yearly maintenance with these things. Now, this is by far not the funnest job, but going around annually, inspecting all your seals, ripping off the old silicone, reapplying new sealant is extremely important. And the Proflex RV is some of the best stuff around on the market. And again, I'll put the link up to the video where I get into the whole job right here. I'll break it down if you guys want to go check that out. Now, of course, before you can go around your RV doing a whole sealant job, you got to make sure it's clean first. That brings us to number 3 on the list, and that is Gabes Pride RV Streaker. We love using Gabes Pride's products on the inside and outside of our camper to keep everything spick and span. Or we love using their RV streak cleaner. And we love using their foam cannon right here. It just makes the process so simple. As you can see in this video right here, we talk about how easy it is to clean the camper using their products, from their foam cleaners down to their brushes, their heavy duty industrial strength poles. Just makes cleaning the camper a breeze. And for those times in between major washes, that's where the RV Streaker comes into play as well, because you can use this as a waterless wash, which is great when you can't use water at campgrounds, which many of them do. You can actually just apply this, wipe off those black streaks, actually clean the whole camper, and then just wipe down with the damp rag. This is great. This comes in handy to keep the camper looking good in between washes. If you just got some black streaks to touch up, or if you just want to wash your vehicles and you're not allowed to use water, again, this can also be used as a waterless wash. So if you guys have never heard of Gabes Pride, go ahead and check them out. We'll have links to their website down below. You can check out all their great products. We've been using them for almost 3 years now. We've been keeping our RV spotless with it. Extremely happy with their products. As well as anything we talk about today, we'll have links down below if you guys want to check them out or purchase them from Amazon, anything like that. Just click on the description down below and you'll find them down there. Okay, number 4 on the list of our favorite lubes, protectants, sealants, and cleaners is 303 Aerospace Protectant. This one right here is great for ultimate UV protection. This is what I use on all of our rubber or gaskets, not only on the RVs, but also on our tow vehicle and car. So I use this stuff all over the RV to protect from harmful UV rays. I use it on our D-seals, our rubber, plastic, and most importantly, our tires. But I especially use it on the RV tires to protect them from the harmful sun so they don't get damaged, faded, and dry rot over time. You don't need to go buying fancy RV covers for the tires, nothing like that. This stuff works great on tires. Now, it's not some kind of fancy armor all that's going to make them shine extremely shiny. This stuff is actually more about the effectiveness of protecting it from the sun and less about making it look like a show car, which is fine by me. Speaking of show car, not only do I use this stuff all over the RV to protect it from the sun, I also use it all over the tow vehicle and our car. Again, great for the tires, the dashboards, the rubber, the gaskets, the seals, anything like that. You can use this stuff all over it to protect it from harmful UV rays and keep everything from cracking and protect it. Been using this stuff for quite a few years. I think it's the best on the market. I absolutely love it. Now, if you guys use any of these products, go ahead and comment down below. We would love to hear about your experiences with these products, what you think about them, what you use them on, and just overall how much you enjoy them. And that brings us inside the RV because we're going to talk about the last product on the list, and we're going to jump back to Gabes Pride again, and we're going to talk about Gabes Pride Multi-Surface Cleaner. Now, not only do we use this on the countertops, all the appliances like our stoves and microwaves, refrigerators, and all that stuff, it's also super effective on the floors, the walls, inside the bathroom, you name it, you can use this everywhere. It doesn't have a very powerful smell, which we really enjoy. It's a great product, so if you haven't, go ahead, check them out, and we do have another full video about that. So if you guys want to click on that, we'll put a link up to that one too, as well in the video description if you want to get into more details and learn more about their products. As always, guys, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you watching. Get out there, start your full-time RV adventure because why wait? We'll see you next time.